toughest part of this assessment is looking up in this table here, given a particular height and weight, to decide whether it's 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, or 0 points, depending on the weight and the height. And I've given this some thought in terms of how to help people. I think this might help a bit. So in this function here, I'm using a dictionary and I'm using a number as a key to look up a value, which is the day. So I'm looking up 1 gives me Monday, 2 gives me Tuesday, etc. And if you've got a table where you've got numbers to look up a range, for instance, then that might be a very helpful thing to look at. So that's the first thing. So of course in this case in my dictionary I'm using a number to look up a single value, but there's no reason why we couldn't be looking up an array here, for instance, might be what is given. On that same topic, you'll notice in this table here, rather than giving the range 119 to 142, 143 to 190, etc., I've just given you the low value for each one of these. So effectively I'm saying up to 54 is 0, 54 to 64 is 1, 65 to 86 is 2, and then 87 or more is 3 points. So those three values there are effectively giving you these ranges here. Now on that topic, moving back over here, I've done an endorsement calculation based on number of achieved merit excellence credits. And the key here is I'm using return statements throughout the function so that I don't have to do a lot of complex if and else if checking of being in given ranges. So what I mean is I've got as a first check, if the number of excellence credits is greater than 49, it returns excellence endorsement, which means it stops and doesn't do any more that is in this function. So if we've got to here, we know that we didn't have more than 49 excellence credits, so we don't need to check that. All we need to check is whether the total of merit and excellence is greater than 49, in which case, again, we exit the function. We return this value, merit endorsement. And if we've got to this point in the function, we know that neither of these things happened because neither of these return statements have been executed. So therefore, we can just say, no, definitely no endorsement. And I think that might help you to more easily check that things are in the given range. Hope that helps.